Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood social media and entertainment. Without further ado, just sit back, relax and enjoy the top stories of the day. Neha's team spills the beans about her glamorous wedding looks. Kajal Agarwal enjoys haldi ceremony with Gautam and their families. Kapil Sharma and Akshay Kumar hilariously troll each other when they meet for the promotion of Akshay's film Lakshmi. Gauhar supports Jaan in nepotism debate, but the singer is now in a new controversy. नेहा कक्कर और रोहनप्रीत सिंह की शादी जल्द बनती जा रही है द वेडिंग ऑफ द ईयर. The newly married couple's color-coordinated designer outfits are winning as much love as their obvious chemistry. But आखिर कैसी 2 हफ्तों में नेहा के इतने सारे लुक्स और आउटफिट्स का कोऑर्डिनेशन हो पाया? नेहा कक्कर ने अपने गानों से और अपनी आवाज से कई लोगों की शादियों में खुशियां बांटी है. And this time it was her turn to be the bride and enjoy all the traditional ceremonies. Neha Kakkar got married to Rohanpreet Singh in a lavish wedding but a private one in Delhi, after which they had a reception in Punjab, and now the couple have returned back to Mumbai. Neha's team of stylists and hair and makeup artists have now shared behind the scenes details of how they planned all her different looks in just 2 weeks. First, रिसेप्शन. स्पीकिंग अबाउट द रिसेप्शन, जहां नेहा अपने बेज स्वरोस्की एम्बेलिश्ड लहंगा और एमरल्ड स्टाडेड ज्वेलरी में बिल्कुल परी लग रही थी, her stylist said that they opted for a minimalistic look with the hair and makeup, allowing the bride's gorgeous lehenga and jewelry to take center stage. नेहा अपना चूड़ा पहनना चाहती थी and सिंदूर of course to look like the perfect new bride. Second, Hindu wedding. Reception से पहले हुई 2 wedding ceremonies. The couple had a Hindu wedding and post-wedding party where Neha wore a stunning red lehenga with a statement necklace, earrings and rings. Her makeup artist added special touches like bright red lipstick and small crystal stones on her eyelids, which made her look like a royal beauty. In the morning on the same day, the couple had their first wedding ceremony in a gurudwara. Neha wore a designer pastel lehenga with floral patterns. Her stylist reveals that they added a lot of traditional jewelry like a pasa, mang tika, big choker and earrings, but kept her makeup light and natural ताकि नेहा और उनके bridal glow के बीच कोई ना आ सके. Roses were added to her hairstyle to complete her look as a bride. Third, Sangeet. The night before their wedding, the couple had a Sangeet ceremony, jahan Neha wore a pink lehenga which was again custom made for her by a designer. The color pink has always looked stunning on her, and Neha carries off all her clothes like none other. Her energy makes every outfit look great, her stylist commented. Fourth, Haldi and Mehendi. जैसे कि अक्सर ट्रेडिशनल वेडिंग्स में होता है, there were separate Haldi and Mehendi functions before the wedding. Mehendi celebration के लिए the color theme was green and Neha looked lovely in a green lehenga which was accessorized with a choker and earrings. Her stylist added a new element to the hairstyle और फूलों की जगह उन्होंने नेहा के बालों में fresh eaves सजाए to match the mehendi leaves जिनसे दुल्हन के हाथ सजते हैं. हल्दी के लिए नेहा opted for a bright yellow sari that immediately created a wedding mood and wore oxidized silver jewelry with it. She again chose to keep her makeup natural and subtle but added fresh roses to her soft textured low bun to complete the fuss-free haldi look. नेहा एंड रोहनप्रीत लुक लवली टुगेदर एंड दोनों के बीच कितना प्यार है ये उनकी तस्वीरों से साफ पता चलता है। The couple has shared some stunning pictures on their social media profiles that capture some special moments from the happiest day of their life. And we can't help but go "oh" when we see the two together. Kajal Agarwal is all set to marry Gautam Kichlu, and the bride was spotted looking resplendent in a yellow outfit as she danced and enjoyed her haldi ceremony. Kajal Agarwal shared the happy news of her wedding to Gautam Kichlu via a statement on her social media account. Seems to be enjoying all the pre-wedding festivities to her heart's content. After celebrating the Mehndi ceremony and a fun bachelorette party with her besties, Kajal, Gautam and the family also had the Haldi ceremony, taking them one step closer to the actual wedding. फूलों से बने जेवर और चेहरे पे खुशी के रंग से निखरी काजल अपने होने वाले हस्बैंड के साथ बहुत खुश लग रही थी। Pictures are being shared on social media from the couple's haldi ceremony, which was celebrated at home with just family and friends attending. Kajal was spotted by the paparazzi as she danced and seemed to be thoroughly enjoying the function. She was also seen bonding with her hone wali mother-in-law as well, and made sure to give her a warm hug when she reached the venue. अपने हल्दी के फंक्शन में काजल looked gorgeous in a bright yellow outfit with an orange floral print. While she was seen dancing in this outfit, it looks like she added traditional floral jewelry to the main haldi function. फोटोग्राफ्स में काजल ने फूलों से बना मांग टीका, इयररिंग्स और बैंगल के साथ-साथ एक फ्लोरल गार्लैंड भी पहना था, जिससे वो एक परफेक्ट होने वाली दुल्हन लग रही थी। लेकिन the picture we like best is the one where Kajal and Gautam were captured sharing a romantic moment as they reached the venue. दोनों की केमिस्ट्री वाकई खास है, and we love how they have kept the function simple yet joyful given the ongoing restrictions due to the pandemic. Haldi se pehle Kajal had shared a picture where she posed with her bridal mehendi, and a few days ago she had a fun bachelorette party for her close friends, which seemingly turned into a slumber party as well. अपने immediate family और friends के सामने शादी करने के बाद, the couple will host a small party, and Kajal is expected to host a reception for her colleagues from the film industry in Hyderabad. We wish Kajal and Gautam a very happy married life and a lifetime of adventures together. Well guys, it's now time for me to welcome Tanumita, who's here for a special segment, and we'll talk about some fashion tips with you guys. Over to you, Tanumita.
Welcome to Bollywood Style Tracker. I'm Tanumita, winner of Myntra Fashion Superstar and your style expert. With work from home being the new normal, it's safe to say that loungewear is the new streetwear. I mean, come on, who would want to slip into a pair of jeans while chilling at home? Having said that, I have been wondering what our Bollywood celebrities have been wearing at home. I found out that they're just like us, chilling at home in their super comfy loungewear. Let me show you who wore what. For an at-home photo shoot, Ananya Pandey picked a pair of relaxed distressed joggers, which she paired with a fun printed cropped tee. I totally love this look, especially the crop tee and loose joggers combo is a crush. Kiara Advani was also recently spotted in a pair of grey joggers which she styled with a purple crop tee. I would have never thought of pairing my greys with purple. This color scheme totally works and this look is a crush. Trust Malaika to take things a notch up in terms of style. She was seen wearing a pair of loose white pants which she styled with a logo tee knotted at the side, which made the outfit look more stylized. Logo tees are a trend that I personally love. The cherry on the cake was the tiny handbag and her chunky white sneakers. I'm totally crushing on this look. Now, time to show you my recreation. I hope that was enough inspiration for you to go chill in your loungewear. I'm gonna go relax, but I'm gonna be back next week with a lot more fashion and a lot more style tips. Until then, stay stylish.
The festive season is here, and after Navratri and Dussehra, it is Karwa Chauth which is around the corner. This is a really special festival for married or soon-to-be married women who fast all day long without food or water. It is also a time when I see women dress up with a lot of enthusiasm and do, as they say, pura sola singar. It's almost a wedding-like atmosphere with mehendis, bindis, payals and bangles, and not to forget, of course, the fabulous traditional clothes.
For Karwa Chauth, कुछ लोग अपनी wedding sarees और लहंगास पहनते हैं, तो कुछ लोग हर साल कुछ special बनवाते हैं. This year, you may not be able to have a big Karwa Chauth get-together with your family and friends, but even if you're celebrating at home with just your bae, here are 4 Bollywood-inspired ways you can dress up and look fabulous this Karwa Chauth. Number 1, saris. A sari is a 6 yards of tradition, memories and cultures draped around you. This Karwa Chauth, you can go completely traditional and choose a Kanjivaram silk like Deepika did for her wedding, or a red and gold bridal Banarasi sari like Anushka wore to her wedding reception. Accessorize these with gold or kundan jewellery, a red bindi, gajra and sindoor. Optionally, choose a lightweight sari like Anushka's pista green sari with floral prints, or a light pink sari with embroidery that Priyanka wore and pair it with a sleeveless or halter neck blouse like these ladies did. Keep your look minimal with just a pair of heavy earrings and a messy updo or simple bun. Saris are an eternal classic and looks fabulous on any Indian woman. Number 2, lehengas. Lehengas are another great option for Karwa Chauth celebrations. You can wear a traditional red and gold lehenga like Deepika and Sonam did for their weddings, or choose something less ornate in fresh bright colors. Wear a shimmering silver gold lehenga and blouse like Sonam did for a jewellery launch, or be inspired by Kareena who wore a bright blue lehenga choli with floral embroidery for a magazine shoot. If you want to keep things more youthful, you can also skip the dupatta entirely and wear a crop top like Kiara Advani did when she paired a gold and white lehenga with a white crop top and looked fabulous. Number 3, salwar kameez, kurtas and anarkalis. If you are celebrating abroad or really don't have the time to drape a sari, don't worry, because you always have the option of a salwar kameez or churidar kurta. Check out how Sonam paired a red and gold kurta with palazzos and added a gold necklace to keep things traditional, or get inspired by Anushka, who has been seen celebrating in a bright yellow salwar kameez and a purple and gold salwar kameez with just heavy traditional earrings, smoky eyes and sleek pulled back hair. Number 4, Indo-Western outfits. These are also getting really popular for festive occasions among celebrities. Add a blazer over your lehenga or skirt like Sonam did, or pair your lehenga with a khaki shirt blouse like Priyanka and wear traditional jewelry to give an added Indian touch. You can also pair a choli with a pair of palazzos and a long floor-length jacket like Sara Ali Khan, or wear a dhoti Indo-Western dress like Sonam and Karishma Kapoor have to events, which is the right amount of desi bling with the casual vibe of a Western outfit. No matter what you choose, this is a festival that celebrates love and togetherness, और प्यार के रंग में आप जो भी पहनेंगी अच्छी ही लगेंगी।
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while. कपिल शर्मा का कई सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ एक स्पेशल इक्वेशन है, and the comedian and TV host is often visited by Bollywood actors and filmmakers who visit his show to promote their upcoming films. So Akshay Kumar's upcoming film has recently undergone a change of title as people found the title Lakshmi Bomb disrespectful to goddess Lakshmi. So now the new title is just Lakshmi with a double I. This film stars Akshay Kumar and Kiara Advani, which will release on an OTT platform on the 9th of November. This film sees Akshay Kumar in a completely new avatar as he plays the role of a man who gets possessed by the ghost of a transgender who seeks revenge. This film is a remake of a Tamil film Kanchana, and we can't wait for this film to release on the 9th of November. अपनी फिल्म लक्ष्मी को प्रमोट करने आ पहुंचे अक्षय कुमार एंड कियारा आडवाणी, जिन्होंने कपिल के साथ खूब मस्ती मजाक किया और ऑडियंस को खूब हंसाया। Akshay Kumar, who has of late started talking on a variety of challenging roles, surprised and even shocked his fans when they saw the first look of the film with him in a sari, bindi and bangles. Lakshmi, which is a horror comedy, was supposed to release in theatres earlier this year, but with the pandemic and the lockdown, the makers finally chose to have an OTT release for the film. Though a theatrical release for the film is not possible, with television shows resuming shoot, Akshay and Kiara visited the sets of Kapil Sharma's show to promote the movie. As expected, कपिल और अक्षय ने एक दूसरे की खूब खिंचाई की और एक दूसरे पे जोक्स मारने का कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ा। जब कपिल ने रिवील किया कि वो सिर्फ एक बार अक्षय से जेलस हुए थे, अक्षय रिवील्ड इट वाज बिकॉज जिस ब्रांड के एम्बेसडर कभी कपिल थे, वो अब अक्षय एंडोर्स करते हैं। वैसे तो कपिल एंड अक्षय दोनों ही बहुत रिच और फेमस हैं, but both made it a point to keep teasing each other about their busy schedules and net worths. कपिल ने अक्षय को एक नोट गिनने की मशीन दी, जिसे देख के अक्षय ने तुरंत कहा कि ये कपिल अपने घर से लेके आए हैं। अक्षय also teased कपिल by saying कि जब वो कपिल के घर गए, उन्हें पता चला कि कपिल का घर उनके घर से भी बड़ा है। अक्षय also laughed and trolled कपिल by saying, जितना ये आदमी शो में लूटता है ना, कोई नहीं लूटता, referring to Kapil's huge success with his show. कपिल ने कियारा आडवाणी को भी चिढ़ाया and asked her if she was doing a second film with Akshay because she liked working with him or liked waking up at 5 a.m. poking fun at Akshay's habit of starting shoots very early in the morning. He also tried to flirt with Kiara like he does with most Bollywood leading ladies and said कि वो कियारा से आंख लड़ाने आए हैं. Referring to her kiss with Shahid Kapoor after they both fall down from a bike in the film Kabir Singh, कपिल ने कहा कि वो इसी उम्मीद में है कियारा इस शो पे चेयर से गिर जाए और उनसे शादी कर ले. Kapil and Akshay's interaction kept the audience in splits, and we are sure it will get lots of people interested in this movie, which also has an important social message about the treatment of transgenders in India. We can't wait to see Lakshmi the moment it starts streaming. गौहर खान सलमान खान के होस्ट किए गए रियलिटी शो से निकल चुकी है, बट लुक्स लाइक वो शो को अपने जहन से निकाल नहीं पा रही है. After commenting on Ejaz's confession of his feelings for her, गौहर ने घर में छिड़े nepotism के debate पर अपना opinion express किया. Gauhar Khan was one of the 3 contestants who were brought in as seniors or mentor on this popular reality show hosted by Salman Khan. They were here to create some drama in the first 2 opening weeks of the show. But now, after she's exited the house, looks like Gauhar is missing all the action, who has really struck a great bond with all her fellow contestants. Will Gauhar be making a surprise visit into the house again? Well, we won't be surprised if she does. There was high drama in the show recently when singer Rahul Vaidya nominated Jan Kumar Sanu for elimination and called him a product of nepotism. Gauhar, who has interacted with both Rahul and Jan, has now commented on this whole nepotism issue on the show and supported Jan, who had said कि उनके father Kumar Sanu ने उनकी help की, but only after he was convinced of his talent as a singer. Gauhar commented on this fight in her post and said, "Nepotism is the easiest topic to rake up some self-attention these days. Jan Kumar Sanu, be proud of the legend you have as a father and proud of the fact that you're on the show as Jan Kumar Sanu. You are you. Don't worry, be happy." In a brand new development related to this war of words, राहुल ने जान से माफी मांगी है. In the latest episode of the show, राहुल ने कहा कि वो नहीं जानते थे कि जान की पेरेंट्स सेपरेटेड है and that he had grown up with his mother alone. जान ने भी राहुल की अपॉलॉजी एक्सेप्ट की और राहुल की तरफ दोस्ती का हाथ बढ़ाया. But while he and Rahul may have been able to resolve one issue, it looks like जान अपने मराठी से रिलेटेड कमेंट्स की वजह से एक और मुसीबत में फंस गए हैं. जान ने राहुल वैद्य और निकी तंबोली को मराठी में बात करते हुए सुना एंड ही कमेंटेड, "मराठी में बात मत कर, मुझे चिढ़ मचती है." It seems that this comment has not gone down well with a regional political party. Since Jan is now on the show, his parents have been issuing clarifications. His mother tried to explain her son's comments by saying it was a misconception and added that since her son didn't understand Marathi, he felt that Rahul and Nikki were conspiring against him. His father, famous singer Kumar Sanu, has issued an apology on his son's behalf and called his comments a nalayak galti. Kumar also chose to blame his estranged wife and added that he hadn't lived with his son for 27 years, so he didn't know what kind of upbringing and teaching his mother had given him that caused him to make such a comment. Either way, it seems like this season of the show is also going to bring with it plenty of fights, schemes and emotional drama to keep audiences hooked. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood, but thank God it's Friday. You guys have a great weekend. Also go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off. I'm going to have a great weekend. You guys too, enjoy.